your business manufactures or imports chemical substances into the European Union, REACH registration is not just a legal requirement, it's your gateway to market access. Under REACH, substances produced or brought into the EU at 1 ton or more per year must be registered with the European Chemicals Agency, unless specifically exempt. This makes registration a critical first step, not something that can be delayed or skipped. We've seen a rising number of REACH-related inquiries, highlighting how important and complex compliance remains. If you're planning to place substances under the scope of REACH on the EU market, registration must be completed before market entry. It's not optional. Whether you're entering the EU market for the first time or expanding your product portfolio, now is the time to act. Review your obligations, update your data, and ensure your substances are fully compliant. Here are the key action points. Review your substance portfolio, including potential exemptions and annual volumes. Reassess classifications based on new CLP hazard classes, like endocrine disruptors and PBTs. Confirm your supply chain role: manufacturer, importer, distributor, non-EU manufacturer or formulator, or other. Assess internal capacity or engage external experts for support. Non-EU companies must appoint an experienced-only representative in the EU if they wish to register substances under REACH. Plan your budget to cover testing, European Chemicals Agency fees, and letters of access. Start early to avoid costly delays or regulatory action. REACH compliance is more than a requirement, it's a strategic advantage. Make sure you're ready.